Hey guys, in this video we're going to go through 5 quick tips to make her feel attracted to you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anna Jorgensen. I'm a dating coach for men in Vancouver, Canada. Not going to go into too much detail here, but just the 5 basic things you need to have for her to be able to be attracted to you. So it doesn't guarantee she's going to be, but if you don't have all these 5 things, it guarantees that she won't be. So what are the 5 things? 5 tips. First tip is how you make her feel is most important, because however she feels is what she's going to associate with being with you. Tip number 2, make her laugh. When a woman laughs, she releases endorphins, feel-good hormones that she associates with you. Tip number 3, be confident, certain. Don't hesitate. When you're confident, then she can feel relaxed in your presence, because if you hesitate, she'll mirror your feelings. And if you are acting nervous, then she's automatically going to act nervous around you. Tip number 4, lead her. So women want men who can lead. A really easy way of doing this is just saying something like, let's go over here where it's a bit more quiet. You might be in a bar, you might be in a coffee shop. Let's move over here where it's more quiet. Not, do you want to? That's passive. Leading is, let's go over here where it's more quiet. And that brings me to number 5, which is always make her feel safe. So if you're going to say, let's go over here where it's more quiet, you want to also make sure that in doing so, she is going to feel safe. So she's still able to be seen by other people. If you don't know her that well, or she's not that comfortable around you yet, you are standing between her and whatever might harm her, but not in such a way that she feels trapped. Now, what's the opposite of all of these? To make her feel bad when she's with you, to be too serious, hesitate, make her make the decisions, or make her feel afraid. So those are 5 quick tips. Which one was the most important, do you think? Write it in the comments below. Thanks for watching my videos. Like, share, subscribe, and please do watch the next video. Thanks so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one.